Hello and welcome to my Wren Kitchens review. Hi, my name's Meg, and if you've never watched my channel before, then I have just been through a huge bungalow renovation. We did a mini renovation before, and then we had a huge extension and literally ripped everything out. Of course, we needed a new kitchen, and we'd been around multiple different kitchen suppliers, which I actually did a video on. It's probably about 2 years old now because it has been that long. And we found that Wren was by far the best, or the best suited to us anyway. So with Wren, you get a free design service. So this is something that we started, I think, in August 2022. And we weren't sure when our planning permission was going to go through. So we were just, plugging away, keeping in contact with Wren. And every time our plans changed, they were super accommodating to us and happy to change our plans on their end as our plans changed on our end. So we ended up seeing them maybe 4 or 5 times, which is all included in the price when you pay. And we managed to lock in some really good discounts in the January. So at this point, we paid a deposit, even though we weren't sure when we were going to require the kitchen. But again, like I said, it locked in all those January sales, and we were able to use those discounts again going forward later on in the process. When I tell you the kitchen design changed multiple times from my end, it really did. We went from black to all black, to an L-shaped kitchen, to this size kitchen. It went from brown to black, to brown, to beige, and then finally to white, and then to this. So Wren were really accommodating with all the changes that I had in my mind. So that was kind of like the pre-delivery side, which we were really happy with, and we had no intention of going anywhere else. We were really happy with the service that Wren were providing us. One of the main reasons we wanted to go with Wren in the first place is because we were doing such a huge build, which was going to be massively financially straining on us. And we knew that we would not have budget for a kitchen. We just knew that is not in the budget. So one thing Wren have is their 5-year 0% finance option, which I just think is amazing. Every month that we're paying off a chunk of that finance payment, we're paying off the full balance. If you've ever had loans, you know that when you take out a loan, you're paying back interest plus the capital. Whereas with 0%, every month that loan value is coming down. And I think that's something that we've really valued since we're coming up to a year since having the kitchen and the finance agreement. So that was something major for us. We may have gone with someone else if they offered this finance option, but we just couldn't find anyone else who did, apart from B&Q, but we were really not happy with the quality and style that B&Q were offering over Wren Kitchens. I would say if you want your kitchen, try and book a few weeks in advance for when you want your delivery, because it is a little bit of a lead time. For example, when we checked in the June, there was only a 2-week lead time, but by the time we came to actually needing the kitchen in September, there was a 3.5-week lead time. But still, we think that was pretty good considering the volume of kitchens they must do on a daily basis. And then the delivery day. So they delivered the kitchen on the day that was planned. So when their delivery came, it was amazing. They came, they brought everything in for us. We didn't have to lift a finger, and they were on time in the delivery slot that they stated. There were a few things that were either missing or a little bit damaged. And this is one thing that I thought was amazing. On the app, which you would download if you were buying a kitchen from Wren, you can just state what items are damaged or are missing, and they literally get delivered to you within the week. That's what it was last year anyway. I'm not sure if the delivery times have changed. So one of the larger cabinets were damaged, and we had a new one within 4 days. And then there's a few other little bits that were damaged and split because we have opted for a wooden kitchen. I will go into more detail on the actual kitchen in a moment. So all in all, we were pretty happy with this. We didn't opt for Wren to install our kitchen. I would recommend, if you can, to get your own installer to install your Wren kitchen, because it is a lot cheaper than paying Wren's costs. However, if you are tight on budget, then it is something that you can add to that finance agreement, which again, I think makes it a lot more affordable and doable for people to get new kitchens these days. So in terms of the installation itself, I can't really comment. We didn't install it ourselves. It wasn't a DIY. So I'm not sure how easy it was to install, but when it gets delivered, you get this huge plan printed out and sent through the post so that the installer can follow along quite easily on what needs to go where. Just to say as well that we got all of the units from Wren and all of the appliances from Wren, but we did go somewhere else for the quartz and we did go somewhere else for the handles. So the handles we were looking at about £500 from Wren, but we ended up getting them for just under £200 from B&Q. They're not the exact colour that I'd want. I'm hoping that they'll age into more of an antique brass rather than the gold yellow. But I think it was worth it for the savings. And in terms of the quartz, we were able to get the quartz at least 40% cheaper from Gemini. We could even get it much, much cheaper from our local stone supplier up the road. So do have a look for your local quartz suppliers because we were able to get a really cheap quote. The only reason we didn't go with them in the end is because we left it way too late to order and the one that we wanted was completely sold out. So if you see one you like, I would recommend just going for it with a local supplier. The only thing with that then is that you don't really get the finance agreement, but if you've got a 0% credit card, then that could be an option to put it on there and then you can manage how you pay that back. But yeah, if you've got cash, cash is king, so use your cash. Okay, and for the actual kitchen itself, we opted for a wooden kitchen at the last second. We were gonna go for the ceramic shaker style, the ceramic colour shaker classic kitchen until the last dying second. We both were just looking at each other and we much prefer this. This is a real wood kitchen. It's not widely displayed in their showroom, I think probably because they're an MDF specialist, but we really wanted a wooden kitchen. We felt like it's got more longevity, it's got more character, you can see more of the wood grains. And if the kitchen ever needs to be painted, it will adhere a lot better than if you wanted to paint MDF. So yeah, we went for the moon grain white in the Henley Timber range and we absolutely love it and I wouldn't change it for the world, and I'm so glad we went for the wood instead of the MDF. So now we've been in this kitchen for about 10 months. I can honestly say that it's great. We haven't had any issues with any of the cupboards and I think I would definitely recommend Wren to anyone who is thinking about getting a kitchen, even just for the financial side of it, where you can split the costs for 0%. That's quite rare these days, and I think that is a massive, massive decision maker for us. But also for the different designs that they've got, the ability to use your designer and get their ideas, because obviously they do hundreds of kitchens a day with lots of people's different ideas, so use your designer really well and they can help plan things for you as well. So but I'm really happy with it, and I think if you're looking at a Wren kitchen, I would absolutely go for it. So with that being said, I would definitely recommend Wren Kitchens to anyone that wants to try them. I think we've had a very good experience. I know I've seen people comment on some of my shorts saying don't go with Wren, blah, 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 blah. But I feel like everybody's got a different experience, and I feel like we had a fairly good experience with Wren, but I do think it's like your mindset as well. Like when those that cabinet came and it was slightly damaged and a few of the doors had split, like my mindset could have been like really negative, angry, stressed, but we just took it as what it was and went on the app, requested new ones, and it was fine. So sometimes I think you just, I don't know, it really depends what mind frame you're in, but I think we had a fairly good experience. I suppose if delivery was delayed for some people, then I can understand frustrations there in paying for labour. But all in all, we had a really good experience. I would definitely use them again. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how everything went. I think as well, because I've had a Wren kitchen, if I recommend you a Wren kitchen, you can get £200 off and I can get a £200 voucher. So I'll leave that link in the below. Might as well use it if it's there. We'll be doing a kitchen tour video, which will be separate to this video, so comment down below if you want to see that. I can also go through cost video as well if that's useful, although it is about a year old now, so the costs might be slightly out of date. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to cover, leave it in the comments, and I will see you next time.